Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose Bluetooth over here. Now tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, you need to click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Nextly, select pair in it and wait for the other device, in my case Motorola, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you need to click on the device, over here on this little icon, come on, and select unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!